All right, so let's go for a test drive of the 1966 Mustang Convertible. Car was completely restored a few years ago. Been garaged ever since. It's only got about 3,000 miles on it since it was restored. You can see there's not a flaw in the interior. All seats, not a tear in them. The top is brand new, or was brand new as a couple years ago. Still looks new. It's because it stays inside the garage. Just want to take you on a quick test drive and show you just how smooth this car runs. It'll drive all day long. It's a daily driver if you want it to be. Just as smooth at 75 as it is at 35. So I want to take you on a quick test drive so we can just see just how smooth it is. I left the top up for this video just so I could do a little bit of narration while we're driving. So we're already up to 60 right now. All right, 65. We'll get on up to about 75 for you so you can see how smooth it goes. All right, so here we are. All right, so we're at 75 now. Just cruising along, no issues, no problems. Good, smooth car. Runs good, stops good. If you have any questions, give me a call. Be glad to talk to you about the car. Shoot me an email or a call. Hope you enjoyed the test drive.